cool bird. Dead cats. The owner of this dog, they say, was left tied to a trash can on Park Street for multiple hours. Okay, so a kitty died and a doggy died in the heat from animal abuse. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I'm picking up on that thing that I said about Gigi. What, Gigi? Whatever. It is what it is, bro. Look at that. Just chasing off. Chasing off everyone. What? What? He's trying to chase everyone off. My heart aches. I just hate it. Great. I get it. Once you pigeons arrive, it's a wrap. Sorry. I don't want to hurt your feelings. Hi, Miss Chocolate. Miss Chocolate's in the place to be today. She was the first one. Hi, Coo. She's like, are you gonna get these pigeons out of the way? Look at you jumped over. Oh God, see? You guys can just never get along, bro. Okay, Cooper, take advantage. Ooh, what's on your neck? What's that? Yeah, I was picking up on somebody that has something wrong with their neck. Something's on their neck. Oh boy. Oh, whoa. So violent. Stop it. Gosh, guys. Oh, look at this one. This is the scrawny one. It's always getting picked on. Poor thing. No. Hi. Go ahead, get your food, baby. Hey! That was pretty scrawny. Hey! I like this one, just wait. Let them fight. That's a good strategy. Let them fight. And you just wait. Oh. Hi. It's okay, just relax. Let them fight. Look at their harem. They're all 5 on my windowsill right now. Hi. What the hell are you doing? What? What's that? You just lifted her up over you. Oh. I know who I'm picking up on with that. Wow. Oh, now there's 6 pigeons and a coo bird.